Hello everyone, my name is Joshua Aguirre, and today I will be presenting my program evaluation on Germany's Climate Action Plan, a lesson in renewable energy for the United States and the potentials of the Green New Deal. What we know that a large group of scientists say that we have about 12 years to reverse climate change before we destroy any hopes of fixing it. And if you look at the graph on the right hand side, it'll show that in recorded history, the four hottest years have been in the last 6 years, and this is due to carbon emissions into our atmosphere, or so they say. To address this issue, a lot of countries like Germany are working towards moving away from fossil fuel dependencies with renewable sources of energy like wind and solar. And in the United States, we've been doing the same, but not as fast a rate. So the Green New Deal was introduced in the legislative branch, which is a non-binding resolution that would act as an economic stimulus package while addressing our carbon footprints. Now, critics say that it's too expensive and it'll never work, and we cannot do it. But let's look at the facts. Category 5 hurricanes are now the new norm. You can expect to see one every single summer. Wildfires are getting bigger, more dangerous, and hitting a lot more land. And during my research, I found that the federal government is spending hundreds and billions of dollars on extreme weather events, and they only predict that it's just going to get worse. Critics of climate change who call it a hoax will point to the fact that coal and oil refineries bring jobs to the people. Well, besides the fact that these jobs come with a lot of risks to the health, there is a way to bring jobs to the market when investing in renewable energies. Look at the graph on the left-hand side, which shows the development of employment in renewable energy sectors in Germany from 2004 to 2015. 400,000 jobs were created in the last 10 years in the manufacturing, installation, and maintenance of renewable energy plants. And since Germany has a plan to go 100% renewable in the next 40 years from now, we can see that the market for renewable energy is now on a level to where it can compete with the fossil fuel industry. In a progressive world, we have to ask ourselves what country is going to take the lead and who's going to be the best at doing it. Now, investing too much money in the oil industry might not be a smart move, because although we still need oil and coal to power our energy grid, advances in technology are making renewable energies a lot more efficient. A study done about Germany's climate action plan showed that the levelized cost of electricity of onshore wind turbines on average is the least expensive technology, and this goes for both the fossil fuel plants and renewable energy plants. Take a look at the graph on the left-hand side. This is a possible forecast of the levelized costs of energy using a learning curve to estimate future developments. By 2034, they believe that storing and collecting renewable energy will be a lot more efficient than any other source of energy out there. Recommendations. If we continue to invest in renewable energies, it ensures that we stay competitive with other countries, which is good for the economy and ensures that we're going to stay strong. The Green New Deal is an economic stimulus package, and its goal is to build a 21st century economy for the United States. It does need to be renegotiated so that it fits a more doable time frame, but it is possible. And it gives us a chance to be an economic development leader for the rest of the world.